Hello, everybody. It's Jodi, and I am so excited today to come on and give you a tour of our 2023 Sale-a-Bration brochure. So if you haven't been following along the last few days, today is a big day in the Stampin' Up! World because we have our brand new mini catalog. This is January through April, and then our Sale-a-Bration promotion is happening January through February. So I wanted to come on and finally be able to show you the inside pages. I've only been able to show you like the cover so far and some projects that I've made, but what I'm going to do in this video is go through page by page the Sale-a-Bration brochure, and then I'm going to do a separate video in a little bit and walk through the mini catalog. So Sale-a-Bration brochure has 18 pages. Mini catalog, we're looking at 90. So this will take a little bit longer. I might not go exactly page by page, but just do like a highlights tour maybe. So anyhow, stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead. First, what I want to do is flip to the back. Well, first of all, there's some really cute samples on the back here. But what I want to talk about is the Sale-a-Bration promotion in case you're not familiar with that. So during Sale-a-Bration, which like I said is January 5th today through the end of February, there's several different perks of shopping with me right now. One is that you get to choose a free item for every $50 you spend. So you'll see a little icon like this, free with $50 purchase, or you might see some toward the back that say free with $100 purchase. So when you order $100 before shipping and tax, you can choose something at the $100 level or 2 items from the $50 level. And that just continues. So with every 50, you get another option. Another bonus is that if maybe you get a couple of friends together, you put your orders together. If you submit an order, whether it's you and some friends or just you, that's 300 or more, you're also going to get the Scenic Garden stamp set. It shows it to you right here. And then there's some cute examples over here, very detailed with all those flowers. Super cute. Okay, but then what I wanted to point out, this is a little different than what it's been in the past. The Sale-a-Bration promotion is something that happens every year, or at least the last almost 22 that I've been involved with Stampin' Up. Sale-a-Bration happens every year. This is the only time of year it's going to be happening, January, February, but we have a new offer for when you join Stampin' Up. So when you join my team as an independent demonstrator, these are the options that you have just during the Sale-a-Bration promotion. So you can choose this boho blue, which by the way is a sneak peek to upcoming in colors, but this is one of the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machines. So, oh gosh, I think the width here is like 3.5 inches maybe. So any small folders, dies can be used with the mini machine. So you can choose the mini machine, which is a $63 value, and $175 worth of whatever products you want, and you pay $129. That is special just during the Sale-a-Bration promotion. Option 2, exact same thing, except you can choose the normal white machine if you prefer. Option 3, instead of paying $129 and getting $175 worth of product and the machine, you're only going to pay $99 and you're going to get $175 worth of product. Normally, like the rest of the year, our starter kit is $99 and you get to choose $125. So during Sale-a-Bration, you get a $50 product bonus, really. So you get to choose up to $175, any product you want for only $99 plus tax. Starter kit also ships free, which is a lovely perk. So again, you can choose the mini machine in blue, the boho blue, or white, and $175 worth of product for $129, or you can choose the $99 option, which gives you the $175 in product without the machine. So those are the benefits if you choose to join my team as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator during the Sale-a-Bration promotion. If you have questions about that, definitely reach out and let me know. Okay, so let's get started. The first option that you have with a $50 order is the Adorable Owls. So I have that stamp set right here. I've been playing with it a little bit. It is really cute. It's 6 stamps. They're cling stamps, and so you can tell I've only used a couple of them so far. It's the foam and rubber, and so that is the style of stamp. It uses the acrylic block, just like photopolymer. And this is a cute little card that I made for an upcoming team event I'm having using that Adorable Owls stamp. Colored it with Stampin' Blends. There's also some really cute examples right here in the Sale-a-Bration brochure. Then we have Thanks a Bunch, and I have that one right here. This one is, this is a lot. It's 19 stamps, and these are photopolymer. What's nice about this, being that it's photopolymer, is that you can see, like, this is going to line up right on the edge of that big carrot, or this lines up along the edge of the leaf. And so with it being photopolymer, it makes it really nice because you can see right where you're stamping to get those lined up. This is a card that I made the other day using the Thanks a Bunch stamp set. You'll also notice the, oh my gosh, no, I can't remember the name. The new rectangle dies. They're in the annual catalog. Oh my goodness, totally escapes me. If anybody's watching that knows, feel free to comment with the name of those dies. But they're just like a little bit of a rough edge, and they just add a little creative element there. But you can see here how I lined up that detail. I actually used pumpkin pie and sweet sorbet, which is, let me grab my color swatches here to show you that quick. So this one here is pumpkin pie, and this one way up here. Okay, so I'm going to put my thumb on the two colors. Pumpkin pie and sweet sorbet. So you might think this looks really reddish or pink, but that's the one I liked the best on top of the pumpkin pie. I tried Cajun Craze, this one here, and it was just too dark. So by stamping first with pumpkin and then sweet sorbet over it, that's the look I got. And this is the one I like the best. So just wanted to share that color combination with you. And of course, there's some cute little samples right here in the catalog. Our next option is the Dainty Flowers designer paper. So it's 12 by 12 inch designer paper. You get 2 each of 6 double-sided sheets. So first, what I want to point out, this whole spread is all samples with that Dainty Flowers designer paper. It coordinates with the Dainty Delight bundle, and that's on page 55 in the mini catalog, and I wanted to show that to you quick here. So this bundle here, so this is a 9-piece stamp set and dies. The bundle, which you always want to bundle if you can because you save 10%. So the bundle, which is the stamp set and dies, is $54.75. So if you order that bundle, you can choose this paper as your free Sale-a-Bration item, and it's going to coordinate with it just wonderfully. These flowers are the same ones you're going to see in that designer paper. So really quickly, I wanted to show you these patterns in the Dainty Flowers paper. Okay, so you can see this side, they're a little, I mean, they're multicolored on some of them, these splashes of color. I'll pull that up so you can see. It's very similar. It's just got more of the purplish freesia color in there. Okay, so lots of tone-on-tone look, maybe more background type things here. But then when I flip it and pull them back in, you see all of the gorgeous flowers. So this side I want to go through page by page to show you how pretty they are. And I'm not sure how much you can tell, but the background, like what comes off as white, that's even got like some texture it doesn't, I mean, it's flat. It doesn't feel the texture, but it looks like it has texture behind the flowers there. It's really pretty. I'm not sure if the video is picking that up or not. This one is really pretty. Again, just a monochromatic, but lots of detail. And I didn't do these all the same way, did I? More flowers. It's similar to this first one, except they're bigger. So you could use them in a little bit of a different way. This is just so gorgeous. And it's so fun because if you're a scrapbooker, imagine that along the bottom of your page. It is so gorgeous. Or you could take this and cut it every 4 inches and then down the center, and you could have a beautiful layer to put on a card front. This one has the purples and what is it? There's rich raspberry in here and fresh freesia, and then old olive is the green that you're seeing. And then this one is just so fun. It's got these frames, so you could fussy cut around there, or you could just kind of cut it into a rectangular shape and create a gorgeous card front with that. And then there's also these border pieces too. So that is really, really pretty designer paper, the Dainty Flowers paper. And then just remember that it coordinates with the Dainty Delight bundle. So this is $54.75. You could order that. Choose this as your free option. So this, you can see that designer paper as the card front. Isn't it just so pretty? So pretty. Okay, next one, Day at the Farm. This is also 12 by 12 designer paper, and it coordinates with the On the Farm bundle, which is page 34. So let me show you that quick. So this is the cute little bundle here. 17 different little stamps, and then look at those dies. So many. This bundle's $51.25. So again, it's over that $50 threshold. You could order that and get your Day at the Farm designer paper for free. Some cute samples there in the catalog. And then, of course, more samples here that feature that designer paper. Now, keep in mind, everything in this Sale-a-Bration brochure is while supplies last. The promotion is January and February, but like once we sell out of these papers, they're not going to be able to reorder and get them in time. So it's just while supplies last. Stamps, on the other hand, because we manufacture our own stamps right in Utah, shouldn't have a problem with those. But the designer papers, if something is jumping out to you, I would definitely recommend ordering those sooner rather than later. Okay, your next $50 option is the Sending Support stamp set. It's a cling stamp, so it's got that foam and rubber, and there's 11 different greetings. And just like it says, just like the name of it, it's just some sweet words of encouragement. Just when you want to send somebody a card to just brighten their day a little bit, give them some encouragement. So that is that one. And then these papers, it's kind of funny because even my husband, who, he's been with me on this Stampin' Up! Journey for almost 22 years, but he commented the other night when I was crafting about how nice these papers are and the detail in these papers. So it kind of made me laugh a little because, it's not that he's not interested in what I'm doing, but for him to specifically comment on a particular product, it must be pretty darn impressive. So this is the Favored Flowers designer paper. Again, it's 12 by 12. This coordinates with the Fragrant Flowers bundle. So let me pull that up for you. In the mini catalog, it's on page 21. Gorgeous stamps. You can see those that are highlighted in white. That shows the dies here. This bundle's $48.50, just shy of that $50 threshold. But you could throw on some adhesive envelopes. I'm sure you'll find something to bump you up over that $50 to qualify for the paper. And there's some really cute samples here. But my goodness, these with the designer paper are just over the top. They're just so pretty. This might look familiar to you. Actually, let me show you these. These I cut down to be 4 by 6 just for how I'm using them. But they do come 12 by 12. But just to show you the detail, all those little lines in the paper. So we've got some really nice background monochromatic, and then these gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. This one is so pretty. And these two together, isn't that just stunning? I like these also where they bring in the coral and the freesia together on the same pattern. So pretty. 12 12 by 12 designer paper, free with a $50 order. It might look familiar to you if you've been hanging out on my page or my group here on Facebook, because I am doing a brand new card club. So it's something I've never done before. And the card club for January features fragrant flowers. So you're going to see this bundle of products from the mini catalog and that designer paper from the Sale-a-Bration brochure. So when you participate in my card club this month, you're going to get this paper, this designer paper, in your package from me. But I would highly recommend, especially if you're going to be ordering this bundle, I would highly recommend getting a full package, because you're going to want to make more of these cards. So just quickly, these are the 4 cards for my stamp club this month, January. And I actually did do another video and went into greater detail on that. But I just wanted to pull them in and show you quickly. I'm just going to pull these back. This shimmer, this is new in the mini catalog, in the Freesia one. There's one more color, I think it's soft succulent, that comes in the package, but it is just so sparkly and pretty. The light reflects off of it so much, and it's a smooth texture, so it's not, there's no little glittery pieces that are gonna come off and make a mess or anything like that. It's just a really, really pretty, glittery, shimmery paper. Okay, so we are halfway through the Sale-a-Bration brochure. Favorite flowers is my favorite. It is just stunning. Okay, the next one is with a $50 order, and this is called In the Country. Again, just so much detail here that you can see. If you like to color, that is one that you're going to want to get. Now we're going to bump up to the $100 level, and this one is called Beautifully Happy. It's a little bit of a bigger stamp set. It's 17 photopolymer. Again, we love that it's photopolymer because this solid is going to fit right inside there. It's going to be really easy to line up because it's photopolymer. And you can see the samples there. And then on the next page is another $100 option. This is 12 by 12 designer paper, 48 sheets. So our normal package of 12 by 12, whether it's a Sale-a-Bration one or in our regular catalogs, that's typically 12 sheets. This one is 48 sheets. There's 12 different designs, and you're going to get 4 of each of them. And they have some really nice, soft spring colors. You've got Balmy Blue, Calypso Coral, Fresh Freesia, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Petal Pink. So you can see some sweet little Easter treat here. Lots of cute ideas. Even a Christmas card in there. I didn't notice that before. They even used it on a Christmas card. Okay, and then I already pointed out, if you do yourself a $300 order or get a couple friends together and submit an order, Scenic Garden is yours free, in addition to all the benefits at a $300 level. You get to choose something free for every 50, whether you choose a couple of 50 things or you mix in some $100 options, entirely up to you. And then that join special where you can get the boho blue or white mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, or you can choose the option where you pay only $99 and you get $175 worth of free product. So that is Sale-a-Bration. Again, it starts today. It goes through February. If you want to get the most for your money, you're going to want to order during Sale-a-Bration, because when you get free gifts with your order, that's always maximizing the value. So that's what I've got for you with Sale-a-Bration. Take a look at all those different ones that coordinate to products in the mini catalog. And then stay tuned, because I'm going to do a walkthrough catalog tour of this one too. Like I said, this is, what I say, 90? Yeah, this is 90 pages. This one will take a little bit longer, but we'll do that soon. So stay tuned for that. I'll put a link in the comments here where you can shop, and just reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.